definitely that corner because you can see it on the map, but I don't know how you get through those boulders. That's a wild little mission. Mainit Falls. There's a little bit of a parking area here. This turns into pretty much a scooter track, sidewalk, so you can't really go any further. So just down here we go, and happy days. I think it's a pretty short walk. Since it's a hidden falls, and there's no one really here. Well, there might be some scooters here, but we'll see. Okay, so I just signed in a book, but then there isn't any payment. I don't know. Almost the car. There's the tourist police. A few of them at the so-called popular spots. I don't know, the lady was going to try and tell me something when I signed in, but she was just like, ah. And then she realised it was too hard to speak. She's like, don't worry about it. I was like, okay. She's probably saying, like, watch out for the construction, but she didn't know how to talk about it because this looks pretty like something you talk about. There's all dudes there working, and holy crap, this is going to be a big waterfall. Look at that cliff face. Wow. This is going to be dope. Might have it all myself, people. So this little bridge. Happy days. Pretty sturdy, actually. Always working hard over there. Yeah, so where's the track though? It's taking you that way. That's weird. They're sitting in like a little pool thing there. Why is the track going left? That doesn't make sense to me. My brain says the waterfall's in here. Let me look at the map. That is the hot springs over there they're sitting in. Tourist police just told me, he goes, oh, like, don't try and climb up the top of the waterfall, just go to the base. I'm like, look at this cliff, I ain't climbing nothing. So people coming, there's a stinging plant I just touched, great. This track's pretty overgrown. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. I think because it was a landslip or something. I just touched the other plant I shouldn't have touched. This one. Oh well, it didn't really sting me, so. As I told the other day, don't touch the little fibres on that one. It's just going to be crazy. Yeah, first two tourist police come down to the bridge here, the ones I said hello to, and then there was a local guy, and the tourist police was like, no, it's closed, you can't go. And I was like, oh man, like it's just gonna be just here. And then the local guy was with him, and he just kind of said like, look, if you just go to the bottom one, it's all right. I said, yes, that's all I'm gonna do. And I'll be careful. He's like, okay. And then the tourist police was like, all right, whatever. I'm like, sweet. Looks like it could be quicksand with this clay. I'm really worried to step in it. That looks like it could sink you right in. We'll go back and look at the hot springs at the end. But really we're on a big waterfall. I can't quite see where we're going. Maybe he wanted me to stop here. That's a bit annoying. Oh, we can rock around that corner and just see what we can see. I reckon it's just there anyway. We'll probably get through that crack and then the left side of that rock or that way. Get through that corner because you can see it on the map, but I don't know how you get through those boulders. That's a wild little mission. Well, let's see if we can get around the rock and the other way and just see. Don't have to worry about the water being too hectic, that's why they said typhoon. You have to talk for that crap, the water's pretty dirty. You could walk that long, but yeah, it's annoying. Let's see if there's a way around the left side of that rock here through or not. This might be the only way. That's frustrating. Yeah, like the log is probably possible, but it's not loving it because I can't see how deep that water is. I just don't really want to fall into the drone right now. Worst case, I'll just fly the drone up that crack, probably get a view of it anyway. It's a little bit hectic here. I still can't even see how deep it is here. What the hell? Alright, so across through there was pretty shallow. Use that little stick there. It only went up like 10 centimetres. I don't think we're getting through this crack here. But the only way is the log. Nah, it's not happening. You know what? Still can't see the waterfall. Well, I don't mind sometimes if some of them are free. Makes up for the ones they scam you a little bit on or overprice the crap out of them. So, yeah, it is what it is. Alright. See what the drone will connect here for me. A bit of a dodgy move. I have to go straight up and just swing it around. This is the best way not to crash it because I can't really see anything. Seems to be the hot springs. Hello everybody.
Hello.
It's nice.
You are what? You are what?
I try to go to the waterfall,
Oh my god.
but it's not really possible.
Okay.
And I put the drone up, but you can't even see anyway.
Oh.
It's very in the rock,
Uh-huh.
so it's a bit, eh.
Let's go relax.
Yeah, like the rock is really in, so the drone cannot see.
Yeah, now.
Yeah. Хорошо. Привет, как дела?
Вы знаете русский?
Australiano.
Oh.
I just speak a little bit of every language.
Okay, it's very nice. I'm also all Russian.
Yeah?
Yes.
You what, travel or you speaking, you mean?
A little bit.
Okay, oh, cool. Everyone is Ruski?
Huh?
Everyone Russia?
Yes, all.
Okay, okay,
All
cool.
Russian.
Da, da.
Да.
Oh wow, that's definitely warm. Woo. It's crazy. We're laying straight in the water, it's probably even hotter there. Alright, as you saw, just about a group of Russians. That was pretty cool. They're hanging out in the creek. This creek was cold, but the hot springs is hot, so they get too warm and they've got to get out. Anyway, I'm sweating my ass off. It is way too hot to even go into hot springs anyway, so it's like actually crazy. And they're laying in the really silty, muddy river, which, you know, I wouldn't really want to lay in at the moment because you would just get all dry skin from the clay, I'm sure. If it was a crystal clear creek, well, it'd be a better trade-off. But yeah, look, each their own. And it's one of the experience, I guess. Anyway, pretty much done for the day, I think. I've got one more waterfall. I saw a sign up the top road that said it was closed, but that wasn't the way the track is. The track's from the bottom. So I'm gonna have a look. I'm just gonna detour in the side road. It's only a short detour. I'm gonna see for my own eyes if the bottom track is closed and what the story is. If it's miraculously open or like no one's there and I can just go in and I'll give it a crack and do one more waterfall. If it seems inaccessible, then I'll deem it as closed for this trip and that'll be it for the day. So yeah, I banked out a few, that's for sure. And I head back and get a beautiful sunset on the beach and a beer, because why the hell not? You're in Asia, live your best life. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the journey. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified of all new misadventures. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take the pig to market. The little girl's got a stick on the back to whack at him as naughty. She's like, I'm in charge if he moves.